Okay, so check-in muna kami sa taas. Tapos freshen up. So we've checked in here at Butternut Tree, here at Chinatown. And I'm just gonna give you a quick room tour. This is our second room na. So basically, the same layout as the first one. Old just swapin na yung una nasa third floor. Itong pangalawa namin nasa second floor. Pero magkatapat lang. Okay, let's go in. Okay, so let's get in. Okay, so as you can see, nakalagay na yung mga luggage namin. Medyo madami yung gamit namin. So this room is family room. It has 2 double beds. Kasyang-kasya naman kami dyan. Tapos, merong salamin na malaki. There's small table in between the 2 beds. Pwedeng paglapagan ng mga phone and whatnot. It has gray curtain. Kagaya din doon sa taas. So, pagpasok namin kanina, nakasarado yan all curtains. Actually, it can close even the door. I just open it up para maliwanag. So, now on this area, nandun ang aircon, may television. Meron siyang maliit na table and chairs. And then this one, so mayroong maliit na fridge. Actually, mas malaki to kaysa dun sa fridge namin dun sa taas. Meron ding safe. Meron ding available na hair dryer. And then, merong kettle where you can warm water and make coffee. Oh, this one, merong available na coffee for free and tea. And water. So they refill this. I mean, they give us 4 water every day, which is nice. And of course, the remote control and the TV control. Oh, this one, my arts. So magkakaiba pala yung arts installation sa taas, iba din. And then this one is cute. Aircon, we don't have complaint. Malakas siya kapag ilagay mo sa mas mababang setting. It's nice, shop house, window style. Technically, Butternut has a shop house design. And then ito yung door that's gonna go out to a balcony. So yung window dito sa kabila, ganun lang din dito. So what I really love about this room is that kapag tinitignan ko before sa mga videos, sa photos, akala ko maliit lang siya. Kasi mura yung pagkakabook ko din. So medyo mababa yung aking expectation. Kasi akala ko maliit lang yung room. Especially 4 kami, dami naming gamit. Pero look at this, there's a lot of space pa to move, oh. So, ayusin lang namin sa way na yung luggage namin siguro. Nakahilera lang somewhere dito para mas maluwag pa yung daanan dito. Which is nice and still comfortable for 4 adults, no? For 4 people to stay. And then for the washroom, yeah, it has a really decent sized washroom also. I'm impressed kasi I was expecting na medyo maliit ang washroom kasi kapag yung mga murang hotel dito sa Chinatown or even sa Middle Road, usually maliliit lang yung space. Pero this one, tapos meron pang supply, and then mirror, and then merong towel and toilet paper. Oh, this one's Sparsa floor. And even if we don't ask, they check the room every day. They fix yung beddings. They change the water. They change the towels every day also, which is nice. So, hindi ako nagkamali sa pag-book ng hotel na to. Kasi super perfect siya for family. Ayan, maganda rin yung beddings. Maganda rin yung unan. So, masarap naman yung tulog namin dito. Okay, so that's the whole view. See? Maluwag siya eh. So much better than what I expected, and it's so much better than how you perceive in the photos or in the videos that you see in YouTube as well. Okay, so this is the Butternut Tree Hotel that can be found at 22 Teklim Road at Chinatown. At super convenient, malapit siya sa Maxwell Station. Maraming mga kainan dito sa paligid. I'm gonna show you later on. Okay, then let's go outside. Okay. So, open lang. Okay, so that's the view. Kaharap yung Potato Head na building. Okay, so this is the view from the balcony. Yan. So, this is a very vibrant neighborhood or community. Sa gabi, merong party going on. Kasi I think this is a rooftop bar. The neighborhood is super alive at night. Super alive pero maayos, hindi naman siya magulo. And if you can see, there's a lot of shop houses here. So all the shop houses, some are offices, but most are like bars and restaurants over here. Yung kinainan namin na Kilini is just right over here. Meron ding malapit na 7-Eleven. Basta bandang dulo ng street na to, there's Shake Shack. So and so on and so forth. And meron ding hawker center sa malapit sa Shake Shack. Okay, so that's how the balcony looks like. Itong balcony na kinalalagyan ko, ganyan lang din ang itsura niya. Although mainit, but it's good in the morning to look around here. And especially pag yung mga 5-6 a.m., it's nice to watch the people, you know, how they just do their day-to-day life. Yung mga maagang pumapasok sa work, yung mga delivery ng mga supply and products sa mga stores and whatnot. So, ano to dyan? Parang Malay food to. Malay, no? Padang. Ito, dun sa malapit sa hotel namin, maraming mga kainan. Although majority sa gabi, bar and restaurants. Pero merong mga may nasi lemak ang ito. This one, Kilini. Okay, so we're done with breakfast. Now we're walking towards Chinatown. Yan ang yung hotel namin. Dalawa kasing MRT station yung malapit dito. Yung Maxwell. Yun yung mga dinadaanan namin in the past days. And then now, in this trip, it's our first time to try Chinatown. May access din dito. Lalakad lang ng konti. Tatagos dun sa mga shops doon sa Chinatown. Okay, here we go. Pagoda Street. Ito yung tinutumbok namin because here's na the train station. Purple Line.